Good afternoon. I wanted to talk about a couple of tools that I use on a regular basis when I'm making handles. And it can be hammer handles or axe handles or knife handles or any kind of handle, really. Um, this is a spoke shave that I made. This is beech, and I just whipped this up uh, out of some beech that I had that was cured out. And that's a piece of sawzall blade right there. You can see, if it'll focus on it, that it has a single bevel, this side being flat, and it bevels the other way. And you can see the wear mark where I've worn it out, just coming down, you know, parts making shavings like this down here. And I used this just a second ago, well, a couple minutes ago, when I was making this Norland handle. And I've still got some sanding to do on the Norland handle. Uh, and I've got to find my wedges. But that's where we're at with that mini Norland. And this is a factory, I want to say this is a Stanley spoke shave, number 51. And it works on a similar principle. I will say that, and you should never set a plane down with the edge down to metal if you can help it. This one here, the wood one, I can come into a curve and then curl out of it with this one better than I can with this one, because this steel plane and the way that this is angled, it is really just suited for straight runs. It's not really suited for doing curves unless they're real gradual. This here is a Mora draw knife, just their Mora variant of a draw knife, and it works really good for hogging off a lot of material off of stuff. But most of the time, if you see an axe handle or a hammer handle, and I'm using an axe, this goes for the big Norland that I've got, or this one here, or any hammer handle that I put a handle on, or anything like that, any number of things. I'm using this spoke shave to move wood off of it. And then I'll get down to where I'm using pocket knives and stuff like this old timer, and just taking it off a little bit at a time and smoothing it. But just the thought of the day on tools. Spoke shaves are very important for making handles. Y'all have a good day and have a good week.